CIC! Welcome to one CLS presentation for the Season of Light and Hope series.
And we welcome you to CUCINA Solano.
Shine brighter, everyone. Enjoy.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Happy Christmas.
Good morning CLS. I am Binky Solano for those who don't know me yet. So welcome to CUCINA Solano. Okay, so actually I'll be preparing something for today for our Noche Buena, no? Something simple yet special. But before we start, no, I'd like to introduce my family, the Solano family. So guys, come on. Okay, so this is my husband, Bing. Okay. So, Bing, sabihin mo pa anong role mo sa CUCINA Solano?
Mahirap ang role ko eh. Ako yung dishwasher. Tapos every Saturdays and Sundays, ako yung taga-deliver.
Okay, so we do deliveries on weekends, no? So later on, I'll tell you more about it. And this is my eldest daughter, Pauline. So, Pauline, can you tell everyone what's your specialty?
Well, my specialty is baking, and I'm responsible for all the desserts we make in the family.
Alright, thank you. And of course, I have my sous chef here, Patricia. Okay, so what do you do, Patch?
I do the frying and also the sauces.
So, ang specialty ni Patch talaga is yung mga sauces. So, lahat ng mga sauce siya yung gumagawa sa amin. Alright, so thank you guys. So, later on, we will show you.
Okay.
So, before we start cooking, no, I'd like to give you lang a brief background about CUCINA Solano. Actually, talagang hobby ko yung magluto. And then, I was telling Abby na when we started, yung nag-start yung pandemic, parang wala akong ginagawa. Sanay ako na parang araw-araw, I do something. And then 1 month, wala akong ginagawa, so nabobore ako. But I cook every day. And then, my brother-in-law suggested na why don't you cook? Kasi, why don't you sell food? Kasi merong parang group dito sa BF Homes, no? We call it BF Homes Sarap. So, sabi ko sige, I'll decide pagka nag-extend yung lockdown. So, nag-extend nga, so I decided to cook. So, parang nag-start muna kami ng mga weekend, Saturday lang muna, until dumami mga regular clients ko. So, nung nag-start na tayo pumasok ulit, I do it on weekends talaga. Okay. So let's start now. So, what am I going to cook today? We have the chicken Parmigiana. So, sabi nga natin, it's something simple but very special. So, kailangan special sa Noche Buena natin, di ba? So, originally kasi, ang Parmigiana is ang talagang ingredients niya, main ingredient niya is eggplant. Pero syempre, kinakain na natin parating eggplant every weekend. So, something na different naman, we made a twist. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is chicken. Okay, so, let me introduce muna kung ano yung mga ingredients natin. So, this, ang sabi ko nga is something special pero affordable. Yan. So, we have here the chicken breast. So, this is the bone, the chicken breast. So, this is half kilo. Okay. So, ang ginawa ko dito sa chicken breast, it's the bone na kasi, di ba? So, hiniwa ko pa siya. So, I made it thin. Tapos, inano ko siya, parang, tawag nun? Parang pinound ko siya. Okay. And then we have here 4 eggs. And then we have the Japanese, we call it the potato starch. And we have a mix of cornstarch and all-purpose flour. Okay. And then here, we're going to use, kasi it's pasta, di ba? So we're going to use penne rigate. Actually, pag ito yung dish natin, we need to use something na parang mga ziti, rigate, hindi siya spaghetti. Okay. So later on, I'll explain why. And then we have here the chopped zucchini. Instead of eggplant, zucchini gagamitin natin. So, don't buy in the supermarket kasi sobrang mahal niyan. So, I just bought this in dun sa market. Parang 40 pesos lang yata yan. And then we have salt. So, we have Parmesan later on. Gagamitin natin yan. And this one, actually, this is a mix of oregano and Italian seasoning. So, ito yung gagamitin natin later on sa sauce. So, yung sauce kasi natin is not the spaghetti type. Okay. And then we have some brown sugar here. And then the basil is for garnishing later on. And we use chopped onions. So, white onions yung gagamitin natin. Pag nagluluto ako ng pasta, I don't use garlic. Kasi madali siyang masunog. And then this is optional, no? Later on, back up ko na lang yung cornstarch na may water. Kasi gagamitin ko to pag gusto ko mas thick yung sauce natin. And then the regular oil, gagamitin natin for the chicken later on. And then, when I do pasta sauces, I use yung, I use whole filled tomato cans. Kasi mas okay siya kaysa sa tomato sauce. But I still have one na backup dito. And of course, to make our sauce thicker, we have the tomato paste, and then olive oil and pepper. And then later on, ito yung pang-finish, panghuli natin is the mozzarella. Yung mozzarella actually, sabi ko, medyo mas mahal siya, meron tayong option, pwede natin gamitin yung cheese now. And of course, we have some beef cubes here. So, we're going to start na, no? Sige. What we need to do muna is, my daughter, I'm here na, daughter. Okay. So, si Patch will actually season yung natin, no, yung breast. So, how do you season it, Patch?
Just simple salt and pepper. But you can, if you want to give it a kick, you can add like cayenne pepper or paprika.
So, you're going to add cayenne or what?
Just
Okay, just the salt and pepper daw. Do you want me to help you this? Okay. So, i-on ko na yung natin. I-boil na natin yung water for the pasta. So, pag nagluluto tayo ng pasta, you let the water boil na, di ba? And then, gaya ng binanggit ko kanina, for the Parmigiana, we have to use something like this, wag yung spaghetti type. And then, pagka lutuin mo to, at least 10 minutes. Pag spaghetti type siya, 7 minutes lang kasi para al dente siya. So bakit siya mas matagal? Kasi ito may mga butas to eh. Unlike with spaghetti, solid yung noodles niya. So mas madali siyang maging malagsa.
Question ma'am, paano po siya maging malalaman na luto na?
Actually, pag medyo maputi na siya. Or ako kasi, sometimes I don't wait for it. Talagang tinatime ko siya. So, very particular ako sa pasta. Gusto ko al dente. Medyo maarte ako sa pasta. Kasi pag, kunyari sa mga restaurants, minsan tinatanong ko kung lulutuin pa ba yung pasta o luto na? Kasi pag luto na, minsan nagtatagal malagsa na. Mas maganda pag bagong luto. So, while waiting for the water to boil, so, Patch, do I need to this na? Do I need to pour it? Okay, so this is the regular oil lang, no? So, later on, yung ating sous chef.
Patch, gusto ko.
So, for the chicken naman, it's not necessary na deep fried siya. Okay, so, konti lang talaga siya. And then, while waiting for the chicken, so, Patch, are you going to tell them how do you, cook it?
Yeah. Okay. So we have the eggs, the cornstarch flour, and then the breading. So first we're just gonna.
So, do you want me to transfer it first? Okay. So, we're going to transfer it here para at least dito na lang si Patch for minutes. Okay? So, slow fire lang siya. Hindi siya gawin sa lakas. Kasi, kaya slow fire lang yung chicken natin. Kasi thin lang yung chicken eh. Hindi siya yung regular na kailangan is talaga malakas. So, ito mabilis kasi maluto lang. So, ang secret lang dito is mabilis lang yung luto niya para soft at hindi dry yung chicken. So, nagbo-boil na yung water natin for the yan. So, boiling water na tayo sa pasta. So, lalagay na natin. So, lalagay ka ng pasta. So, this is, the 1 pack actually is good for 45 packs. So, kung meron kang family of 4, this is more than enough. And then, what I do is I put salt lang sa pasta. So, never add oil sa pasta. Kasi yung iba kasi, habang niluluto, naglalagay ng oil. Sayang lang ang oil kasi useless yun. So, you just put oil pag luto na siya. So, So while waiting, okay, so habang inaantay natin yung pasta, I'll start cooking the sauce. So maglalagay na ako ng olive oil for the pasta, for the sauce pala. So konti lang. And then, habang inaantay natin siyang uminit, binubuksan ko na. So pag nagluluto ako, kailangan gusto ko ready na lahat ng mga ingredients. Kasi pagka nagsasabay-sabay siya, ayokong may masusunod. So ito na, no, mainit na yung olive oil natin. So ilalagay na natin yung white onions. So chop siya, finely chop yung onions. So yung dish natin ngayon, the chicken parmigiana actually, is parang 2-in-1 na siya, di ba? May carbo na, meron na rin siyang meat. So kung tamad na kayong magluto, nandiyan na siya lahat. Hindi katulad ng iba na gagawa ka ng pasta, gagawa ka ng chicken, gagawa ka ng iba't ibang sa kahit. Yes,
Ma'am Bings, ano po yung style or best practice when it comes to frying the chicken?
Actually, yung sa chicken kasi, depende kasi sa cut ng chicken, Abby. Pag kunyari ganyan, manipis lang, dapat mabilis lang siya, saglit lang siya, tapos slow fire lang. Kasi pagka masyadong malakas yung meat mo, ang tendency niya nagiging dry. Nagda-dry yung chicken.
So what is Patchy doing right now?
Okay, so right now I'm just frying the chicken. Then while that's frying, the steps you have to take is to get your chicken, cover it in the starch and flour. And after that, you just cut away all of the excess.
So how do you do it, Patch? Egg muna, di ba?
The cornstarch and flour first. And then after that, you wash it in the egg. Alright? And then lastly is the breadcrumbs. Alright.
I think it's becoming brown already. Then you must be help my hands. It's a brown. So the pasta is boiling na rin, diba? So normally, I don't time it. Tansya-tansya na rin yung pasta natin. It's 10 minutes for this kind of pasta. Pero ako, very strict ako pag spaghetti. Talagang 7 minutes lang siya. So yung onion natin is na siya, diba? Medyo glazed na siya para lumabas yung tamis ng onions natin. So the next thing to do is ilalagay na natin yung whole-tailed potatoes. So 2 cans to. Actually yung ginagawa kong sauce ngayon is more than enough dun sa pasta natin. So ang point ko lang kasi pag gusto niyo magluto ulit ng noodles, at least meron kayong extra sauce. Yung sa gumawa ulit kayo ng bago, sayang na naman sa ingredients, saka sa gas. Hindi na extra na kayo. And pag meron kayong mga cakes sa bahay kasi may test kayo dito. Okay, so meron tayong mga buong dito, tomatoes. Pag nakita niyo, ito yung maganda sa pasta ng mga buo-buo. Ayaw kasi yung sobrang na tomato sauce talaga. So,
Sa ganyang klase ng sauce, Ma'am Bings, anong tawag yung ganyan?
it's called killed tomato. So, unlike nitong tomato sauce na regular, lang siya kasi, di ba? Kasi lang siya, yung sauce lang. Ito may mga kasamang tomatoes nito. So, at least nakakadagdag yung sana. And then, I want to add 1 more tomato sauce. Okay. So, isang pack lang, just to add to the sourness. Okay. Later on na yung natin, yung tomato paste natin. Okay, so while waiting, dalagyan pala ng konting sauce ha. Pag tinanong ng mga taga-CLS, gano'n pala kadaming salt. Hindi ko salt to taste, basta na lang eyeball. Sabi ko tansya, ang tawag ng mga anak ko eyeball. Eyeball daw. Hindi alam kung bakit eyeball. And then, I'll add some freshly ground pepper. Okay. So, depende na yung pepper kung gaano kadami yung gusto ninyo. Pero pag maraming kids, baka gusto niyo yung bawasan ng pepper. So, while stirring, no, ilalagay ko na yung seasoning. So, this is a mix of oregano and Italian seasoning. So, ito actually nakakadagdag sa taste ng Parmigiana. Kasi the Parmigiana is not the typical spaghetti. So, medyo may pagka-Italian taste siya. So, for this also, we want the sauce thick. Hindi siya yung malapnal. So, just mix it. Okay. So, actually, mabilis na talaga yung sauce niya. So, how's your chicken patch?
It's doing good.
Okay. So, I'm gonna put some, beef cubes. Kasi walang meaty, para may meaty flavor ng beef cubes. Yung natin, yung sauce natin. So, 2 beef cubes. So, yung ginagawa ni Patch na chicken, half kilo lang yun. So, madami na siya kung sa 45 bucks. And then, if you want brown sugar, ang brown sugar kasi this is optional for the sauce. Kaya lang pag natikman ninyo na medyo masyado siyang maasim, baka kasi yung mga bata, ayaw nilang sobrang asim. Hindi ko alam sa'yo, Abby, bata ka pa. So, baka ayaw mo ng sobrang asim, kasi may ibang gano'n. I think the pasta is okay na. Let me check. So, ang gagawin natin sa pasta ngayon is ililipat ko na siya. But can you move a little? Sorry, maliit ang kitchen namin. Can you move a little? So, dito ko siya ilalagay. Okay. So, meron tayong dito, no? So, dito ko siya sa pala. Okay. Ibubuhos ko yung pasta dito. Okay. So ngayon, yung ibang kasi, when they cook pasta, nilalagyan nila ng water. Sa akin, hindi ko siya nilalagyan ng water. Kasi feeling ko, pag nilagyan niya ng water yung pasta, lalo siyang lalabsa. Nawawala yung pagka-al dente niya. So, ang gagawin natin, okay, so itong konti, lagay pa rin natin dito. So, what I'm doing is, lalagyan ko ng konting olive oil. Okay, so, konti lang, para hindi siya maging sticky. Okay. And then mix it. So mix the oil. Mababa naman yung oil sa pasta. And then this is our serving plate, no? So ilalagay ko na dito. So this will be our serving plate later. So that's our pasta. Ang ganda ng pasta dito. Okay. So ilalagay ko na dito yung pasta natin. Ito yung sauce, titikman ko na yung sauce natin. Hindi ko alam kung magugustuhan nila Abby yung sauce ko later, okay? So I think it's a mix of may sourness siya, saka sweet. Okay. And then, feeling ko okay na siya eh. And then, ilalagay ko yung zucchini. Yung iba, nilalagay eggplant. Kaya sabi ko na, para naman medyo special, zucchini naman. Kasi ang zucchini naman, mura lang siya sa market. Kasi the other day, nung tumingin ako sa supermarket, yung isang size is 150 pesos. And then I just bought this for 40 pesos. Lantayin lang natin ito ng zucchini.
May iba ka bang alternatives ng drinks bukod sa zucchini?
Yung iba, naglalagay ng carrots, chopped carrots. Tapos, pero yung mga Italian, I think they put eggplant talaga. Eh, dito sa atin, ang eggplant, araw-araw na natin. Yung torta, ano pa yung mga tuto ng eggplant.
Kakabet.
Patakpan ko lang sa saglit para lumambot yung itin. But for our guest, it's almost done. So, ang tanong is ilalagay ko na yung tomato paste natin. Kasi sabi ko nga, mas maganda siya pagka cake yung sauce natin. Isang pack lang ng tomato paste. So, I don't think gagamitin pa natin yung sparkling water kasi ano na sa six sauce na to. Okay. Ayan. Ano na siya? Very thick na siya. Kita niyo yung thickness. Tapos dun sa mga wholesale tomatoes, yung slice ko yun, di ba? Pero may iiwan ako ng mga medyo buo para mas malalasahan siya. Para mas malalasahan siya sa sinahin. Siguro mga 2 minutes pa ng pagkain na para lumambot lang yung zucchini. Pero yung zucchini kasi mabilis lang yung lumambot. Okay. So while waiting for it, okay. Pat, how are you?
Oh, so I think it's strong.
You're almost done?
Yeah. I think I need more oil.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, tinanong ni Pat if she needs to cook everything. Actually, kahit hindi na, kasi ang chicken later, papakita ko sa inyo pa parang presentation natin. But for ano naman kasi, pagka yung mga ibang members ng family, pag gusto nila kumain ng solo chicken, you can ano. So I think you just cook everything na lang Pat. Or maybe that's the last. So this is half, ano na nga, this is half kilo, so it's a lot already. Okay, so it's boiling na. Malapit na tayong matapos. Kasi meron akong fish. Pag wala, mas matagal.
Usually, ma'am, ilang minutes ang preparation to final plating?
20, siguro dahil sa anayam na lang, less than an hour. Mga 30 to 45 minutes pagka may kasama ako. Pag-gising na si Patch yan. Pero pagka ako lang, siguro mga 45 minutes.
Ma'am Dings, how do you find inspiration sa mga niluluto mong recipe?
Actually, kasi yung family ko sa side ko, di ba? We're fond of cooking talaga from my lola to my mom, my aunt. And then when I married my husband, mas mahilig sila kumain sa amin. Mas mahilig marinito. Okay? So, kumbaga, it's very inspiring, no? Kasi my family, they love to eat. So, I really cook for my family. We rarely go out to eat. Kasi kumbaga, naluluto ka na yung mga nasa labas eh. So, whenever I serve them something, tapos na-enjoy nila, tapos nakakuha akong magandang feedback. Yun, happy na ako doon. Pero what I do kasi, siguro when I was in pharma, no, Abby, ang mga customers ka ng mga doctors, probably that's when I learned na nilalabas kasi namin sila when we have meetings, so ako'y naghahanap ng mga restaurants kung saan ko sila pwedeng dalhin. And then when I taste the food, I don't know, pag natikman ko na siya, parang feeling ko alam ko na siya lutuin. So, doon, ano ka na yun, na-adapt ko na yun. So, pagka uwi ko, kunyari, may natikman akong bago. Sasabihin ko sa husband, may natikman akong ganito. Itatry ko siya sa weekend. Yun.
Sina ano ma'am? Sina Patch at saka si
Pauline.
Paano mo sila na-start maging mga shoe chefs mo?
Actually kasi siguro dahil nakikita nila akong parating sa kitchen. So, nung umpisa is parang sabihin nila si Mami parang nasa kitchen, they're helping me. And then, parang naging ano na rin nila yun, naging habit na rin sa kanila na that parating nandito sa kitchen. Plus, si Pao kasi is yung family ng husband ko mahilig mag-bake. Yung tita niya, mahilig talaga sa bake, so doon, mahilig mag-bake, so doon nakuha ni Pauline. Tapos parati kasi kami nandito sa kitchen. So, yun, nasanay na kami. Okay. So, we're almost done. So, ilalagay ko na yung sauce natin. So, ganito natin siya ilagay. Hindi natin siya ihalo. So, ang isang importante pa, Abby, no, kahit gano'n lang kasimple yung, yung pagkain mo, depende siguro on how you do the presentation and the plating. Sabi ko nga sa family ko, even if our food is pinapa lang or simple adobo, I make sure talaga na ginagawa ko siya ng twist or at least ginagandahan ko yung presentation. Diba? Tapos, tinuturuan ko rin yung mga kids ko that when you do plating, hindi kalat-kalat yung mga sauce o pinupunasan sarili kasi minsan nakakawala ng gana yung gano'n. Diba? So, next step natin. First, the tongue. So, I'm going to put the chicken already. So, there are two options, no? You can either chop the chicken or ilagay na ng buo. So, I think for presentation purposes, mas magandang ilagay ko ng buo or do you want to chop it? Kasi kakainin nyo to. So, probably para lang at least, I'll chop it na lang. Okay. So, I'm gonna chop it. I'll get one muna. Okay. So, here. I think I need,
Kailangan ng assist po ba, Ma'am Bing?
no, I don't know what it's called. I'm in the kitchen, pero spatula daw. Spatula. Okay, so spatula. So, I think spatula. Para at least madali na lang kainin siya. Madali na lang siya. May nalaglag. Okay, sige. Cut it. So, Pachi will cut it now. 500 si Pachi. It's hot. It's hot. So, yung ilalagay natin sa lahat, probably hindi lahat, para hindi siya natatakpan. So, may option na lang yung family that if kulang yung nakatoppings, pwede na lang ninyo ang kunin sa meron tayong separate plates.
Ma'am Bing, sa itong final, lahat ng ingredients, how much ang natin, price point?
Ang total nito, this is good for 5, diba? Nasa 670 na ano. Mahal ba? It's more than enough, diba? So, 670 for 5 packs. So, more or less, pagka nasa restaurant ka, parang magkano yung isang serving, diba? Nasa 250 pinakamura. But for this, parang nasa 100 plus ka. So, this is mozzarella. So, this is mozzarella. Sabi ko nga, yung mozzarella naman natin, just konti lang yung kailangan. But there's an option that if you, if it's quite expensive, you can use cheese melt, cheese melt yun, no? Okay, so, just slice it thinly. Okay. So, ganyan siya. Okay. And then, what I'm gonna do next is, minsan kasi gusto mo siyang mag-melt, diba? Pwede mo siyang ilagay sa oven or you can do this. Sige, patch ito. I feel like we should add more cheese. I'm gonna put some Parmigiana.
So, what is this process called, Ma'am Bings?
It's for chicken. So,
Necessary step ba to? Patch or ano?
Oh, not really. If you want, you can just pop it into the oven for the cheese.
It's for presentation purposes.
So, how do you know when you're doing it correctly?
But when I offer this dish also to to CUCINA SOLANO. So whenever I do food deliveries, I do torching as well. Kaya siguro ang dami ko na rin regular clients. And then this is the last part. This is no, not the last part pala. So this is Parmesan. So yung mga clients ko siguro dahil alam mo yon, sabi nga nila is if you provide good quality products to your customers, so you get repeat customers. So, siguro that's one thing with CUCINA SOLANO. whenever we do food deliveries, I make sure na kahit nasa isang tab lang siya, the presentation will be very appetizing sa mga customers. Okay? So that's Parmesan. So hindi mo naman kailangan ilagay lahat sa tab niya. So pagkakakain ka na lang, that's when you add some Parmesan. So this is the last touch na. So this is basil.
May alternative ba, Ma'am Bing, sa basil?
Sa basil. Pwede rin naman yung parsley, chopped parsley. Kasi may ibang tao ayaw nila ng basil. So, pag ayaw mo ng basil, yung parsley, kasi wala rin basil parsley. Okay? So, I just need to clean this up. But more or less, I'm almost done. So, CLS, so this is chicken Parmigiana. Okay. So, para sa mga natsyabena ninyo, you might want to try this. It's very, very economical lang. So, you don't need to follow all the ingredients naman. You have other options. If you want to have optional ingredients, just message me. I can give you some options. Okay guys, so tapos na tayo. So, we have our chicken Parmigiana for natsyabena.
Okay, so for premium home-cooked meals, you can follow us on Instagram at CUCINA SOLANO.
Or on Facebook at Cucina Solano.
Okay, so from CUCINA SOLANO to yours, have a very Merry Christmas and enjoy the season of light and hope. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Uy, alam nyo, ang sarap talaga nun. Kasi pinag-uwi sa akin ni at Ma'am Bings yung isang tub. Kami ni Claire.
Talaga?
Yan.
Pwede mo
Sobrang
din
sarap,
yung
promise.
How much?
650 for 5 to 7 packs family.
Wow.
Sobrang mura.
Chicken pasta parmesan.
Yes, chicken pasta parmesan. The best. Sobra. So, pwede na kayong umorder sa akin.
Thank you. We hope you enjoy, everyone. Merry Christmas.
That is in behalf of 1CLS. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye-bye. Thank you.